Hello everybody,
Hello.
Brandon here, accompanied by my daughter. What's your name?
Sam.
Sam. Okay, today's episode is a gardening video. And it's been about 3 months since the last update from the seedlings, and now we gotta tell you something. What's the status of the garden?
A forest.
Like a forest? Okay, well, to me it's like a garden jungle. Anyways, can't wait to show you guys what we got. But for now, we've been actually harvesting. So what do we got here so far?
Peas.
Beans. We got some green beans. Anyways, let's show you guys the update of the garden. And okay, come on, let's go for a walk.
This one, please.
Okay, Sam. Boom, here you go, guys. So the production of the garden has been explosive, and now we can't even close the polytunnel anymore because like I said, it is already exploding. Oh, we forgot one right here, tiny guy. Anyway, so let's just show the inside. We decided to save the inside harvesting for you guys to see. Anyways, boom, now you guys have seen the jungle I'm talking about. Everything has exploded. The heat wave has exponentially exploded the greenhouse, the polytunnel. Anyways, so as you can see, the tomatoes are on the rooftop. They are touching the roof. I don't know if you guys can see that. And sure. And the green beans have exploded to the roof, and now I had to make a little trellis to go horizontal because, like I said, it has been explosive. Okay, Sam, give me your bowl.
It's right there.
And I'm gonna help you get up. Okay, come on. 1, 2, go!
Oh.
So Sam, my daughter, is super helpful. You can step on the soil there, Sam.
That's fine.
Oh no, step on the garden bed. I can't hold you.
Oh.
Get off! Come on, get your foot on there. Okay, there you go. So Sam, show everybody what you're doing.
I'm picking them off.
You're picking the ripe ones. Oh man, look. So it's pretty tricky, guys. As you guys know, or if not, the green beans, they need constant picking to encourage growth. And you don't want to wait until they're too big, as they lose the quality of the flavor and texture as well. So far, boom, right there, fresh green beans. So if you pick a little bit every day, you will get a nice pile. How's it going, Denzel?
Hi.
What do you think of the garden?
Big.
Big? Okay. So right here,
There's lots
boom,
over there.
right there, every day, every time you check out the garden.
There's some over there.
Yeah, go ahead and pick them, Sam.
There's some over
Like I said, green beans grow in an explosive manner. I swear, 3 days ago I was fishing and they were already, ooh, I think I dropped one.
Yeah, you do.
They were very small, and now they are ripe for the picking. Every day there is a harvest on here, right here. So man, I can't even keep up with these guys. So be prepared. Get your neighbors, alert them that you got vegetables, because you won't be able to eat all this. Anyway, let me know what you guys do to store your vegetables for a long period of time, because right now I can't even keep up with the eating. Here you go. So I give some to my in-laws, my mom, and whoever is willing to take them, because to me this is more of a hobby than to just feed myself. Okay, so yeah, this is exponential growth here for the last 3 days. Oh, look at this. There's more over there.
I can't reach them. Too high.
Look behind you, Sam. I'm sure there's some behind you.
There's one. Oh, I didn't see this one.
I think I dropped another bean too. Okay, and also the update on the what do you call these guys? These marigolds. The marigolds have exploded, and I couldn't believe, guys, I barely see any bad bugs inside. All the leaves look healthy. I don't see no weird growth, aside from the odd moth or two, just because we do have it open now. But anyways, let me show you the upgrade update. Are you okay for a little while, Sam? I'm gonna take everybody over here. You gonna get off now? Are you sure you're done? Because I think there's more right here. You just have to move some leaves around and you're gonna find them. What about behind all these leaves? Don't we have anything in there? There's some way up here. Yeah, it's I've actually never been this successful. Mind you, this is the earliest growing season I've ever had. And it was so early that I think I was battling nature because I was getting a lot of bad bugs.
Oh, I didn't see this one.
Oh, right there. There you go. I told you there'd be some. These guys are tricky. See another one behind you right here.
Huh.
Okay.
Just over there. You can help me.
Just chuck it in there.
Yay.
Okay, so lucky I have my daughter who's super helpful in the garden. Oh, right there, Sam. One more right there.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So are we done on this corner?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's get up. Oh, so barely any more room now. Why don't we go show them our green peppers, guys? The 2021 green peppers.
Right here.
I was worried that they were gonna get
This is the biggest
no
one.
growth, but holy, look at these guys. These guys are falling over.
There's
Look
a
how
spider.
big it is.
There's a spider right there.
And a spider, there you go. So the green peppers, wow. Ginormous. This is store quality. I'm gonna wait to see what color they change into. So let's see where that goes. The 2021 jalapenos have been growing well as well. Like I said, good yield. This is only the small yield that you see. I've already actually picked maybe 30 of these guys already. Keep them in the freezer. And another shot at the plum tomatoes. So everywhere I look, every corner I see, there is growth. Okay, another side, another side. Hiya! All right, so step on the dirt there, Sammy. Okay, so start picking away. We see some right here. So pretty nice treat to be able to wake up and just grab what you need. Few harvests that we've already picked out of here are some garlics, some lettuce, some beans. That's basically it so far, unless I can think of anything else.
Dad, can we give some to Amanda?
Some jalapenos.
Can we give some of the green beans to Amanda?
Sure,
Dad, look,
but we
there's
don't
a
have much
bee.
enough. Yeah, there's a bee. The bees we get in, which is fine. We like bees.
Yes, that's why they can
There's,
pollinate.
yeah, they can
Oh,
pollinate.
I didn't see that.
No, you're not looking hard enough, Sam.
Because I'm under them.
Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, back here. What's this? No, too small.
No.
How about down there? You see anything down there?
No.
How about underneath here? Behind there? Oh, watch out, that's sticky.
Yeah, it is sticky. I don't want to touch it.
Okay, so I think we're good on the beans.
Daddy, there's something in there.
Oh, yeah, go grab them. Come on. Go grab them. There you go. Okay, another one. Okay, how about under here? Lift up some leaves. Take a look. No? Okay, are we good? Okay. We didn't ask for a free ride. Okay. Oh, watch your feet up. Okay, so today's harvest right there, green beans. So let's give the update on the tomatoes. So the tomatoes have exploded.
But there's no
So
red one.
yeah, oh, I did see a red one starting actually, guys. So there you go. Boom, uncovered a lot. We have some Roma tomatoes. So my opinion of the heat wave, I think the heat wave actually exploded the foliage growth, but not the fruit growth. But we still do our hand pollination anyways, and we still do get yield. Why don't we go take a look over there and show the other tomatoes, Sam?
Over here?
Yeah, keep going.
Ah, no, my slipper.
All right, so hardly any room. But look at that. We have a red one starting right there. Why don't you move that leaf, Sammy? On the bottom. There it is, guys. So the tomatoes showing nice color. And how about here? Boom. We have a nice lot of tomatoes right there. And like I said, guys, this thing has exploded already.
Dad, this is the biggest
Boom.
one.
Yeah, that's the biggest pepper.
Is that going to be sweet?
Probably. It is called the Sweet Bell. Another lot of tomatoes right there. Then another one right there. Anyways, I can keep going on and on about these tomatoes. But let's take a view of the outside.
Yes! Let's see the cucumber!
Okay, sure. Let's show the cucumbers and the Butternut Squash. Okay, bring the bucket, please. Okay, so view from the outside of the polytunnel. Boom, these marigolds have exploded. I didn't think these were supposed to be this tall. The label says 12-inch high, and these are not 12-inch high. Maybe it has something to do with the polytunnel, I'm not sure. So here's the shot. Boom, right there, guys. And the marigolds, I think they're protecting and inviting good bugs. I actually don't see any more ladybugs in there because I think they've done their job. Anyways, with all that shade, look what I got down here. A shaded green pepper. Very nice. So let's look over here. So that's the indoor tomato. But let me do a little comparison of the outdoor tomato right there. The outdoor tomato, very little growth.
Yeah, this one got bigger.
Yeah, let me see.
Cucumber right there.
Oh yeah, the cucumbers also, they bolted. Look at this, guys.
Look, this one got
First time ever we're growing
Look, this one got bigger.
yeah, we're growing long English cucumber. And Yahoo, exactly, Yahoo, exactly, there it
That
is.
one got bigger.
Long English cucumber, another one right there. Then
Yeah,
another one
there's
right
two
there.
There's two.
Yeah, they're coming. Oh, look at that, there's a twin one right there. So quite excited to see where that goes. Oh, look at that, we got bees. You see that, guys?
Yeah.
The bees are pollinating, doing their thing.
Is that
So
what
we do have a hand pollination hack on this as well. Basically this, where you see this bee, is a female. It's a male flower. So what you have to do is you get a little paintbrush. Then you take some pollen from there and
Dad,
rub it
it's just
onto,
girls.
let's see if I can find you. Anyways, it's a similar flower but with a ball on it. That ball basically means it's a female. And you can rub those two pollens together and boom, you get nice big fruits. So I don't know if you guys can see that. There's one back there, that one's pollinated, and within a week it has exploded to quadruple in size. So these ones right here, you'll notice that they turn yellow and they start to fall off if they don't get pollinated. So anyway, so keep that in mind. So here in Canada, in the west coast, the growing season is very short, so very important to get your yield in there, and otherwise you won't be. Oh, look at that, these guys are boom. Here's another guy. Yeah, these bees are all over the place doing their thing. Yes? Why? What are you doing with the camera? What are you gonna...
Going on a trip, on a very special trip.
What's he doing outside?
He's just eating grass.
Why'd you bring him out? Did you bring him out on purpose?
No.
Bring him back inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do a little up close and personal with our veg. Okay, let me show you guys the female flower I'm talking about. Right there. So that is the female flower right there with the ball at the bottom and the same flower up top. So you take those two pollens together, rub them together, and you make baby magic. Okay, so right there you guys can see this is comparison with my hand. That guy is at least, oh man, oh look at that. So yeah, so it's good that I have this trellis to get them supported, but that guy is probably gonna be the money maker this year. I'd say that's about, looks almost like a big pomegranate. Anyways, so we got our asparagus, our transplants, it worked well, and then we have our butternut squash. They were late starters, but it looks like they're coming through. So another shot at the female flower, then a shot at the male flower. Sorry, female flower, and a shot at the male flower. There you go, guys. Anyways, if you guys have any questions at all, please let me know what you guys want to see on this gardening channel and fishing channel. Yes, Sam? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I know, it's fine. Why is there a hole there? Anyways, come here, Sam. Let's say goodbye to everybody. Come here. Why do you have that with you? Come up here. What? Okay, hello guys. This is our sign off. Me and Sam had a wonderful day at picking vegetables. Of course, we always pick vegetables. But anyways, what do you think? What do you gotta say to everybody?
Fun.
Fun? That's all you gotta say?
Yes.
Only fun?
Yes.
Okay, well, we had fun. Anyways, if you guys like what you see, please do like, share, and subscribe. Okay, don't forget to comment. Ask us what we're doing to get our garden going. Maybe some devices like this DIY fan. And some, let's see, let's show everybody our temperature controller on here. Right here, guys. So here's a little DIY controller that we got over here. Anyways, so this is us saying goodbye from our urban garden to yours. And good luck out there and happy harvesting. As my friend says, tight lines and ripe tomatoes.